Pong. I'm from QB. I will tell you Pong ball game. First, I will tell you Pong ball game commanding. On the line commanding is then we clicked green flag. Then we clicked and forever and is all you can see. First, we need to go in here and take when clicked. Second, you need to go to control section, then take forever loop. Then we need a if then block and touching mouse point. Then we need to attach the if then block to here. Then we will change the option. We will select the ball or anything it is falling. Then we need a stop all. We need to again go to control section and then we need this. You can see this commanding, these two commanding. You can easily see it. Now this is bread commanding is very easy. You need then clicked forever loop and set X to mouse X. And if then you can go in motions and take it. Now I will tell you how to play this game. I made this game on Scratch and I warn you that this is a difficult game. We'll tell you how to play this game. If you touch the line, you will be out. Now I will try again. Now, I will try again. After 5, you will change the background. Let's see if it changed the background. See? Hope you like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.